Welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to analyze a propped cantilever beam using consistent deformation method. Okay. Let us have a problem. We have a propped cantilever beam, that is a cantilever beam with another support, that is prop at the end. Let us name this A and B. Let the length be L, Young's modulus E, moment of inertia I. Let this be loaded with a single concentrated load of value W kilonewton at the center. But let us say, before going to that one, we are going to analyze, say, let the distance be A and B and this point as capital C. Okay. Let us analyze, generalize this one. Let the distance between AC be small a and the length between BC be small b. Okay. Now we have to analyze what are all the support reactions at A and B. Analyze this propped cantilever beam using consistent deformation method. Now let us draw the elastic curve. So this is before bending and this is after bending. Okay, this is the elastic curve. Here, since A is fixed end, the rotation at A or slope at A is 0, and since B is simple supports, rotation at B is there, it is not 0. Okay, this is the elastic curve. Now, since this has 4 support reactions, we cannot solve it using equilibrium equations alone. So we have to switch to different method. Suppose if you do not have this simple support at the end, this would be a cantilever beam. So what would be the shape of the elastic curve if this support was not there? Let us draw this elastic curve. If there was no support B, how would the beam have bent? It would have bent like this, right? This would be theta B A and this would be delta B. This would be delta B. What would be the value of delta B? We know the value of delta B if it was a cantilever beam. If it was a cantilever beam subjected to point load W at a distance A from the fixed end. So delta B would be W A cube upon 3 EI plus W A square B upon 2 EI. Delta B would be W A cube upon 3 EI plus W A square B upon 2 EI. That is, the load was applied at W, the load W was applied at C, the deflection we are finding at B. So this would be the equation. Now, if this would be the deflection if there was no support at B. Now we are going to apply provide support at B. So what would the support B do? B would resist this deflection. What will B do? B is a support, so it resists this deflection. So what it has to do? It has to apply some force so that this deflection would be reduced or nullified. So how much force should be applied? Say here we are going to write the same. If there was no force, only the support reaction. If there was no force, only the support reaction at B, this would be the delta B. How much should be delta B? Delta B should be that much, which would be caused by load W when there was no support reaction. So just imagine this load is pushing the point B, delta B downwards. The same way, support B is pushing this point B, delta B upwards, so that the delta B, this is negative delta B, this is positive delta B, will nullify each other. So if you want this delta B, here there is a point load. Say I'll call this is point load, but I'll call this as RB. Why? since it is reaction offered by B, I am going to call this react RB. Now we have this formula. If there was a single point load and it would cause deflection delta B at B, so the value deflection at delta B would be given by load W into L cube upon 3EI. Since load, we have taken this as RB here, or else it would have been WL cube upon 3EI, right? So here we have taken load as RB. Yeah. Now as I told you earlier, deflection at B is 0. Why it is 0? Because the amount of deflection caused by the load W at B is nullified by the deflection caused by RB in the opposite direction. So these two will cancel each other and we'll get net 0 deflection. So can we equate this each other? Deflection at B due to load W is equal to deflection at B due to reaction at B. Right? Can we equate these two equations? So here we have, this is negative, minus, or since it is on the opposite side of equation, no need to write negative, W A cube upon 3EI plus W A square B upon 2EI. This is equal to RB into L cube upon 3EI. Right. Let us simplify this one. I am going to interchange this one, right hand side to the left hand side equation, so that it will be easier to find. RB into L cube upon 3EI is equal to W A cube upon 3EI plus W A square B upon 2EI. Since EI is constant throughout, I can cancel it. Then multiply this entire equation with 3 and divide it by L cube, or simply transfer this. So we are going to get RB is equal to W A cube upon 3 cancels each other, L cube plus 3 comes on this side, so you will get 3 by 2 W A square B upon L cube. This is the equation for support reaction RB. Now earlier we thought W is if W is at the center of this beam. If this is the case if A and B are not same. If now second condition, if A is equal to B, that is W is at the center of this span, A is equal to B. If W is at the center, if W is at the center condition, what happens? A is equal to B is equal to L by 2. Now substitute this L by 2 in this above equation. We are going to get RB is equal to W into A is nothing but L by 2, L by 2 cube divided by L cube plus 3 by 2 W into A is nothing but L by 2 square, L by 2 square, B is also L by 2. This is also nothing but L by 2 whole cube. This is L cube. Simplify this one. L by 2 whole cube will get L cube by 8. L cube upon 8. This L cube and denominator, numerator L cube, denominator L cube cancels each other, plus 3 by 2 of, this is also nothing but L by 2 whole cube. L by 2 whole square into L by 2 is nothing but L by 2 whole cube. Here also we are going to get same thing, W upon 8. If we simplify this one, the denominator we can take it as 16. Multiply this by 2, you will get 2 plus 3, 5 WL, W upon 8 2s are 16. RB is nothing but 5 by 16 of W. Now if we want WA, what we can write? We can use this simple equilibrium equation, summation V is equal to 0. This is nothing but RA plus RB is equal to W. Substitute RB is equal to 5 by 16. So RA is equal to W minus 5 by 16th of W. Multiply this by 16. 16 minus 5 is 11. So LCM is, or denominator is 16. The numerator you are going to get 11W. RA is 11W by 16.